Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. I am Julius Campaner, and I will be showing you now my website created using HTML, CSS, Python, Jinja, um, SQL for the database, and JavaScript for the design. So here are the files that we are going to shift one by one during the run of the code. So for the win joke. So let's start. I know it's this one. Run. Wait. Let's say it's here. Okay. So as we are running this the website, it comes up this web page. So welcome to my website. Since we are new here, we are going to register new account. We will not be using those IDs since they are already deleted. So SSC00 das is 10 and the password would be Julius. Julius. First name is my name. What is my name? Julius. Campaner. Okay. Campaner. Okay, let's double that one. Gmail.com. This is for demonstration use only, so some of the datas here are fictional or might not be existing. So we registered an account saying the registration is successful and waiting for the admin's approval. Since we already have an admin the in our database, we have this here, the admin for the username and the uh, password for the password. So let's just use that one. Admin and then password. Oh, it's already here, so I'll just put that. And boom! It's here already. So the total of student is 4. Uh, Even the pending student is counted. Yeah, it's counted in the total student because we're asking the total, not the approved. Okay. So we have the evaluation questions, 5 questions, and the 6 teachers. So let's approve that one. I will further explain the admin dashboard, but let's just focus to this student. So it is already approved, and let's try to log in. And I skip, but if you're a pending student, you cannot log in since you're in the pending. Hmm. Yeah. Let's log in that one. Oh, it's totally logged in. Saying that you are approved, but you have 0 evaluations done and you have 6 out of 6 teachers left. Here in this side is your details, your school ID, your name, your email, and your current year. Here part is updating your profile. You can edit your name, your password, excuse me, your email, your year level if you're still on the second year or you already a third year. So if you click that one, you will be saved your updates. Okay, then let's try to evaluate if we can evaluate a teacher. Let's just a bunot here. Okay, we got this teacher, Mr. Aris. Can you see Mr. Aris? Joke. 5 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. Hatagan na to. Sorry. Let's give it a 1. Charot. Let's give it a 5 for Mr. Aris. For real. Yeah. Because Mr. Aris is gentle to his students and loving. Okay. Give him a comment of Sir Aries is a fallen angel. Kidding. Sir Aries is good. Is best. Is the best. I'll just put that one. Is the best. The best. Pack. We're going to submit that one. And boom, evaluation is successfully submitted successfully. Let's try to see in that teacher's dashboard. Let's log in Mr. Dahay account. Since this is manually inputted, we will just use those credentials. Log in as a teacher. Boom! You got the flat of 5. Oh, we are two students who evaluated this teacher, and what he got is flat 5. Grabe ang highest. So, same as the student, you can update your profile. You can see in your teacher's table your subject, the teacher's name, and here the detailed report or the individual scoring per question. So question number 1, you got the score of 5 out of 2 respondents. So wow, this teacher is really applaudable, or we call this one uh, student's favorite. Ah, because he got a total of 5. Oh, here you can see the remarks. Sir Aris is the best. Sir is cute. Ah, someone got fall in love with Sir Aris because of his cuteness. So let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, and that's all for the instructors. Don't worry about this 50% because this means that 2 out of 4 approved students evaluated this teacher. This doesn't mean that your average rating is 50%. No. But the uh, approved students who evaluated. Okay. So let's log out the teacher. So much for that. Now, we'll go to the admin dashboard. So as we go to the admin dashboard, this is also manually inputted. So let's just use those credentials. Okay, so in the dashboard, you can see 6 teachers. It means that 6 numbers of teachers are present. 5, I clicked that one. 5 evaluation questions is here. And the total of approved students is here. Even if you are not approved, you are counted. You are counted. As I click the teachers and the courses, it shows here the teachers that are present. If I click this view result, wait a second. Okay, okay. If I click this view results, let's try to miss Ching Archival. Oh, he got the maybe the lowest. Two. Okay, okay. We don't have to bash the teacher. I mean, let's just uh, pick to the other teachers here. Let's see Mr. Dahay because Mr. Dahay is the teacher of this subject. Again, he got the 5. And it can be seen if you are an admin. So the admin will say, oh, this teacher is a favorite of a student. Student's favorite. Sorry, but I'm not feeling well kasi. Let's try to add a new question. Uh, Guapo ko? Just kidding. Uh, let's put, teacher is always smiling. Mr. Dahay is perfect again for this. Okay, let's add that question. Saying that the new question is added successfully. 6. Uh, Question number 6. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so I guess that's all for the admins. Oh, let's hear the edit. You can edit the information of the student. This is what I've said that we can add here. We can add a new teacher, and we can edit, we can view, we can delete. So the crude principle is applied. Okay, let's try to add a teacher. Okay, teacher Jules. Jules again. First name Julius. This is not a case sensitive, so we can use small letters or big letters. Email, Kampner, then let's choose Jules. Is it valid email? Let's try. Kuan, kagonggongan. Just joke lang. Di tayo ganun. Course title, let's just say cooking. Let's try if the email is, oh, it says that it lacks of the at gmail.com. So we have to enter that one. Add teacher courses. So it is successfully added. Here. Oh, you can see that one? Yes. We can edit this one? Yes, we can edit. Mm. We can delete. Can we delete? Can we delete? Can we delete? Let's try. Oh, it's asking. It deleted successfully. So, um, it's it doesn't delete, but okay, whatever. Continue. Let's log out that. So that's all for my website. Thank you for watching.